Now I am going to find the square root of 1 to 1. First step number 1, subtract just 1. 1 2 0 1 3 5 in this way subtracting. Okay, step number 2, 1 2 0 minus 3 equal to 117. Step number 3, 117 minus 5 1 1 2. Then step number 4, 112 minus 7, this comes 105. Step number 5, 105 minus 9, then 96. Step number 6, 96 minus 11, 85. Then step number 7, 85 minus 13 equal to 72. Step number 8, equal to 72 minus 15 equal to 57. Step number 9 equals to 57 minus 17 equals 40. Step number 10, 40 minus 19 equal to 21. Step number 11 equal to 21 minus 21 equal to 0. So square root of 1 to 1 is step number equals to is number of steps to get 0, which is 11.